And as you can see, this is a whole page. I'm going to show you. This is completely the measurement that one of the pages from the booklet. I really love the results, and of course, remember, never give up. Hello friends, this is Maria over here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this journal using only this type of paper. This is a booklet that comes with different colors and different designs in the same measurement, that is 6 inches times 6 inches or 15.2 centimeters, 15.2. So it's a perfect square, and you will see the 1,000 possibilities that you have for journaling using this type of booklets. Another important thing is that this comes with 180 pages, and also in one of the designs it comes with this design. They look like labels. They don't come with glue, but in any case you can cut them and glue them in your projects. Also, to identify your journals, a label is always needed and important to have. So this is really nice and is considered an essential for your scrapbooking and also for journaling. So let's see what I did with these squares coming out from this booklet. This is the final result. I did these 2 dangles here, so I have that little bell and also this never give up. This is a beautiful detail. Actually, this is a booklet I made for a teenager. So you will see a lot of details, like all the theme is about gardening and also a little bit about music, things a teenager likes. So I was inspired by that in order to make this journal. So that's a label. Here I have a heart. There I have another tag they can use, or she can use, to write or to journal in there. And as you can see, this is a whole page. I'm going to show you. This is completely the measurement that one of the pages from the booklet. And here I have one folded in half, so when you fold it, you're able to do this pocket here. I place this nice sunflower, charming. Then here I just glue paper with lines so she can go ahead and journaling in here. And as you can see here, this is another complete page, but I glue 2, and I have a huge pocket here. Smart people must love gardening, and that's a lot of space for journaling, and also this opens. So, and this is for a person that loves to write, and she is gonna enjoy this one. So here I have another half of the page. I folded in 2 parts, and I did a pocket there, and I have 2 beautiful labels also related to garden. Hey, this is more related like to travel. And here in the center I glued this lined paper and a half of a piece of a doily, a paper doily, so you can see it gives a lot of texture and it's super cool and fun to use. Here I glued a tiny leaf. This is paper leaf, and then I glued a tiny piece of music sheet. It looks really nice. And here I just have another complete page from my book, and I have kind of a tiny booklet here also to write a lot of things. On this side you can see the label. That's the one I showed you that comes in this book here. So also it comes with letters. Let me see if I can see the labels again so you can see them. So I cut one of this and I glue them there. And this is another page folded in half, but I didn't glue both sides. So you fold one of the pages in the middle and you leave it open. So I have a butterfly there and I have this instrument there. And the good thing about this is that if you open it, you have more space to glue some stickers or whatever she wants to glue there. And also I place another card that says together with a flower over here, like a pocket in one of the corners. So here I glued this paper pot here. I cut it, and also with little stamps I went ahead and built a plant. Here I have another easy way to use your paper. This is another page. As you can see, it's a complete square, 6 times 6, and I did this flap here so she can go ahead and write over here or glue some of the stickers or whatever ephemera she wants to use. This is a cool page because it's also made of 6x6, but I cut this part so we have a nice pocket here. She can place something inside, always inspired in this instrument she plays, and also a sunflower. And the last page I have another surprise because that's the size of 6x6, but I glue one flap using one whole page and fold it in half and then fold it again. Now here I place a little detail of a leaf, and that's the whole journal I have for this amazing teenager. So remember, if you have this block of paper around and it's at 6x6, or if you have a bigger one, doesn't matter. There are a lot of possibilities you can do and a lot of amazing ideas for your journals that can come out from these amazing papers. So I hope this inspires you. You can do the same, and also always remember that creativity is infinite. So it's just a matter of starting, and then you will see and you'll be surprised about the things that you can do. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and also comment in the box down below. I see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye. Bye friends. And remember, never give up.